To be quite frank, like I haven't felt like this alive in my entire life. I really, really just love what we do. I love our house. I love the fact that, you know, kids come over. I love the fact that we're able to build those relationships. For us, this is a journey, it's an adventure. It feels like a roller coaster. That's what it feels like, you know, and I love it. My wife Hannah and I, we moved here back in 2015.
The first time I met them, it was on a Saturday, I remember. They were walking door to door with cookies. And they said, I live across the street, and we just came by to introduce ourselves and to bring you some cookies. And I was like, oh wow, that's nice.
One puts 1,000 a flight, but two put 10,000 a flight with God. So basically saying like, one can do a lot, but two can do like even more. So when Quilen told me this was one of his favorite verses, I was like, we're meant to be, oh my gosh.
We really wanted to live in the areas that are most affected by hardcore poverty as well as violence in the city of Chicago. Oh, snap.
Oh my God, was that gunshot?
Yep, those are gunshots. There was a shooting. We went out to just go see what was going on. I got a text later from my friend, and apparently he said that there's a gang war going on between a gang over there, and then a gang over here on 67th and Green Street. And they've been kind of going back and forth because I guess there was like a retaliation. It's fairly common. I mean, this is Englewood after all, so shootings are unfortunately a regular basis. You know, we really want to do stuff out of our house. You know, if you look around here, there's really no parks. There's no playgrounds. The choice is either you just stay inside all day, or you're like out in the streets or in the parking lot, but like sometimes there's shootings and stuff. So we really want to try to provide that space. The kids are free to come. They can come play basketball. The kids come for our after school program throughout the week.
Guess what we're having today?
Muffins?
Waffles!
Waffles!
I haven't seen you in a while.
Oopie, but she be right her name's in. Where's gold? Where's me gold? Oh, this is
You coming? Okay, all right, yeah, you come up.
What? You trying to?
We do snacks and we read, we color and stuff. And I'm thankful for that they did this.
Maple.
Maple.
Maple. Would you stop? I can't see.
My name is Janiyah and I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. I love Equal House. We used to learn about new food. Well, they're fun. I really love strawberries.
Put my 50. Can I put this in the bag?
So remember we have store today, so you have to save some for snack and some for store, right?
This is like a house for kids if they if they don't got nowhere else to go. You could come here and go to the after school.
Well, you have to write the date and how much he's putting in the bank. Okay, this is a receipt, right?
Here you go.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Instead of just harping on kids all the time, we just charge them. So they have little money boxes with fake money, and they get money for doing jobs. You know, they have money if they are doing something that is a bad behavior.
Girl, you didn't know that.
Okay, everybody pay me $1. You're all talking when I'm trying to do it. And they also pay for snack, and they pay for like stuff from our little store.
Every day when we have the kids here, we make them snack, and we try to make them like a heartier snack. We've got the opportunity to have the kids like eat blueberries and strawberries on top of that as well.
So Asan, I guess you'll do store, and then Freddie, you can do cleanup today, and then next week we'll give jobs for the month.
Take over this?
Yep.
Alright, this everything over here is $5 a deal.
I like being in the shop on it because I could tell the person if they need help, I can help the person what they want to get.
You give them that.
One,
There's squares,
two,
black cats.
$5.
They're
They're $95. Where? Right here. Apparently it's a lot of money.
We spend a lot of time thinking about our life, from the end back. Once our marriage is at its ends, 50, 60, how many ever years from now, what do we want to say that we spend our time doing? And I think for us, this is it.
No, they already decided it's on last person.
So the things that we've really been focusing on has been urban agriculture and 3D printing. So, we have our 3D printer down in the basement, and every week we take a special projects team, which is like a subset of the kids who live around here, and we really just train them and teach them how to handle the technology. So are you guys 3D or 2D?
I'm 3D. I'm 3D. No, 2D.
What? You're 2D?
2D is flat. Oh, I'm 3D.
So what makes you 3D?
Width.
Okay, width. What's width?
What
Sean.
kind width?
Sean.
That's funny.
If you're gonna start goofing off, you're gonna go home. Take your chair, sit over there. So, when we're getting models, there's a 3D printer that prints models, right? So we can go to this website. This website's called Thingiverse, right? And we can find different earring designs. Okay, all right, Sean, you come back. Okay, so, what do you think? What do you think about that?
You know how to say excuse me?
Josiah, we want to talk about you, okay? Just need to scoot over. Sean, next time when you come in, just say, hey, excuse me, can I come in?
Okay.
All right? Josiah, why you got the long face?
Can't see.
Okay, then how can you see?
I don't know.
What do you do?
Sean, maybe pull your skill over.
No, Josiah says that. Josiah kind of felt like really being critical of Sean. Just kind of felt like the way that he was treating Sean in that moment was, he felt like he was better than him. We really tried to emphasize is that no kid's better than another kid. So next time, when we're working together with the kids, I want to see a better attitude. I want to see you trying to help. So it should have been exciting. Oh, Sean, I haven't seen you in a long time. Thanks for coming. I missed you. That kind of thing. You have more influence on those kids than you realize. They look up to you. If you're having a bad attitude, they're gonna think that's okay. I don't just want to have kids, but I want to be a father. So I want to be involved in my kids' lives. I want to be involved in other kids' lives. Because it's easy to have kids. Anybody can have kids, right? But in terms of being a father, that's a lifetime commitment.
So we're having twins. They're due in September. We're not expecting twins, but we're very excited. So we feel like it's gonna be double blessing.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah. Well, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. I feel like the boy, or whoever's over here, is kicking more.
So this is twin A.
It's faster than when they were younger.
Yeah, that's the girl right there.
Oh, really? So maybe she's the one that kicks the most.
And yeah, it was nice meeting you guys, and we'll
Yeah.
see you later.
Thank you.
You guys want to keep having Eco World?
Yes.
Okay, then let's. Okay, so now when we have kids, because when we have babies, that takes a lot of work, right?
A lot of work.
And a lot of time, especially when they're young. So we're going to have students from Moody. They're going to move in downstairs.
You're going to be going there instead of up here because we can't have loud kids around the babies. And we'll be around to help if you need it.
Okay, Sean, you don't get biscuit.
I ain't even just
You
do
don't get
that.
biscuit.
You're
So what you did, you don't get biscuit. So you and DJ can be the No Biscuit Brothers.
I was just doing this.
You and DJ are the No Biscuit Brothers, okay?
Alright.
Okay, so anyone else want to join them?
No.
Anyone want to join their family of the No Biscuits?
No. No.
Okay, now let's pay attention, okay?
Ain't not that funny. That's not
I
funny.
think it's kind of funny, actually. Kids need discipline. That's what they need. The problem is kids aren't used to structure. That's the problem.
Keelan's a disciplinarian.
Hannah just wants to, cuddle with them and hold them and talk to them. I don't got time for that.
I think it's really important for us that we're raising our kids here and that they'll be in the mix of everybody else. Because I don't ever want them to feel like they're better or that they're you know, that somehow that they did something to be in a better situation.
Helping her make the baby shower.
Are you guys coming?
Huh? Yeah.
Coming to the baby shower?
I think
Saturday
so.
or Sunday?
Sunday. Yeah, just slow.
What do you mean? Going is easy.
Here, like, see top.
For you.
They like.
Oh, look at that. Is that pretty?
No.
Get you too. So
Thank
much
you so much for
for coming
coming
to-
to celebrate our.
to celebrate the coronation of
No,
our twins.
it's not coronation.
What?
Say thank you for being in this wonderful
Hey
world.
guys, you know because you know what we're missing for this baby shower?
What?
We're missing a ring.
Oh, what?
A ring?
A ring?
Yeah, a ring.
We can make a ring.
What do you mean a ring?
So people can bow down and kiss the ring.
Yeah. That is awful. Oh my gosh, I know. I was like with one of my 5 guys, he's like, you know, it's gonna thunderstorm today. And I was like, well, we're gonna try anyway. Like, it's funny. It's a boy, it's a girl. I know. It's a girl.
I was gonna help.
I'm happy for them. I asked them yesterday, and they said I could help.
That's Keelan. That's Hannah. That's Keelan.
Yeah, you got it. Got some stuff.
You gotta do your weeding, Frank. Come back, Lauren.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Yeah, the chicken over
Yeah. Picture?
Okay, you know.
You want to sign the picture for the babies?
Sure.
I'm the best. I love these.
I mean, I don't know, but he's asking if it's on trees. There, guys, the trash is here.
You
When
want some
you're done,
barbecue
you
sauce?
put in either one of these, okay?
Hey! Grandpa's here. I think we're gonna cut the cake now that you guys are here.
All right.
The cutting of the cake. It's a thing, I guess.
I think it's a good thing. I think most people do that. Is that chocolate cake?
Chocolate. I hope you like chocolate.
Hold on, Jay. Okay, me.
Hold on, they coming out. Oh, okay, she cut a little bit short then.
Quilen says, you got your community house? Because I always dreamed of a house full of people.
I've always kind of had a tolerance for adventure, so has Hannah. And I like the idea of that we're sort of living in the unknown and that we're living a story that's worth telling.